I don't know if this is a good idea or a bad idea. I'm going to be honest. Let's see what I can do. I'm going to try to do it Hercules style. Ah. Ooh. Nope, that's really heavy. This canopy has gone through so many insane Texas storms with crazy winds and crazy everything else, but the rare snow. And it's the one thing I didn't count on. Nothing in there is damaged, and the canopy itself isn't really damaged either. It's just, it can become damaged. I have another canopy tarp, so I'm not stressing it too hard. But I didn't want it to happen. Hmm. I'll figure something out. Y'all see. I'll show you. All of you. I never put a support beam in the middle of the canopy. And that's probably what I should have done. Because whenever it's raining, it just, rolls off the top. I didn't, like I said, I didn't count on the snow. And even if I did count on it, I wouldn't have accounted for it just staying in the place it lands and not, flowing like water. So, whenever this winter storm goes away, there's not much I can do right now. Not unless I had a couple of guys or gals here to help me. And Darcy and Henry, I don't think they're up for the task. But it'll give me an opportunity to do a better job this time. And I guess we have, because this is the second winter storm I've experienced since I moved to Greenville. And they both happened in 4 years, a 4-year span. So this is going to be something that's going to be more common in the future. So I'm going to need to, I would have needed to come up with a better structure and a way to reinforce the canopy either way. I just found out the hard way. But that's fine. I'm already thinking, coming up with ideas. Everybody here will be able to see it. So, that'll be fine. Oh yeah, like and subscribe. I keep forgetting to say that at the end of a video, or any video, or live stream, or short. Like and subscribe, guys. Yeah. Appreciate it.